Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. It's actually been a minute since I vlogged, but I told you guys that I would start vlogging. One, I do want to share some of the things that I have going on currently. I'm putting on some hand sanitizer. I literally just came out the shower, drank some water, washed my hands. If you guys are interested, oh my gosh, it's the Nest Grapefruit and it smells amazing. I will be leaving it linked down below because you guys, I'm trying to tell you, I know some of y'all are not a fan of Kevin Samuels, but darling, when someone reaches out to shake your hand to do whatever, it should always smells amazing. I was team him on that statement. And so I've always had my little, little things for my hands. But this hand sanitizer smells absolutely amazing. It does not make up for having to wash your hands, okay? But while I'm out and I'm running errands, I do try not to touch a whole bunch of things. Anyway, moving right along, I hope today's gonna be a really, really great vlog day because I'm going to go check my mail. There's been a light fixture that I've been interested in. It's been out of stock for about 3 months. And I got an alert about a week ago that it was going to get shipped out. So I'm hoping that today when I go check my mail, it's there. And if it is, I get to install it. So I'm really happy. It's going to be going on the wall with the picture box trim. So I'm excited. I'm currently waiting for Kevin. And then we're going to head out. And then I'm going to get some coffee. I'm going to get something to snack on. I'm going to run to the grocery store to get a couple of things because I am currently out of a couple of things. And that's pretty much it. So I'm just going to take you guys with me. That's about it, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and start being on my merry way. I was on strike there for a second. I don't know where them gift cards are at. I need to look in the kitchen cabinet. I need to redo my little coffee station. Things have been so out of stock. It's just like not motivating to want to do anything. I did
so sorry about that. Don't worry about it. It's our food have a recovery for you.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. Have a wonderful day.
No problem. Okay, Starbucks giving us stuff for free. Okay. Ooh, he's signing, y'all. He's signing. I just seen the door open. He's signing. I don't know how to open the trunk from inside the car, but he's picking the packages. We got boxes. You need some help? Oh. Murphy. Oh, that's her book. Okay, so we're almost done. My baby. I don't think I've ever been around somebody who's been so happy for me. Aiden.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you can share joy, honey.
You would think it's happening to him.
Those are the best people.
I know. I hope he stays like that. I hope he stays like that. Because he's like, Mom, tell me. I want to see it. Oh my goodness. Did you know my mom got this? My mom did that. And she's a celeb. I'm like, boy, stop telling people that. But you are famous. I'm like, no, I'm not. Yep. Just on YouTube.
Here's the lie, honey.
I'm just on YouTube, baby. I'm gonna go drop this stuff off. I'm gonna get my baby and then I'm gonna go home so you guys will see me at home, okay? All right, you guys, I'm back home. Trying to figure out how to open it. I gotta put the leg. Is that the one with the missing leg? not turning on. So I think it's a situation where some of the wiring has to be done over. I think I told you guys before, there wasn't any power or light fixtures. So when Mr. Eric did all of the Lutron setup, he just pretty much plugged it. The same situation happened with the niche where when we had turned it on, it wasn't working, and literally within like 2 seconds of him doing some stuff, it turned on. I'm not gonna mess with it. I thought it was gonna be like a simple, you know, black to black, white to white, and get it together. I'm not gonna mess with it. I'm gonna let him come. I'm gonna go ahead and put the other light together so when he comes, everything is set up. But if he doesn't reach back out to me about being able to come out this week, I'm probably gonna call someone else to come out, another company to come out to install it. I wouldn't consider today to be a fail. It wasn't a fail, but I was definitely excited to see this light go up. I have been waiting for so long, so I was gonna do it myself, but I really don't feel like taking down the wall plate, which is behind this situation here, and tweaking and messing with it. I'd rather not. But this was a pretty easy install. Instead of me posting the video like this, I'm gonna wait when he comes to do the install. That way you guys can actually see the light up and you get to see how everything looks and everything.
Wait, what? Now you tell me?
Joe, give me a second, hold on. It's a little crooked. It's a little crooked.
Okay. Here, I got a little one.
I got it.
Okay.
That top screw wasn't screwed tight.
Oh.
But you should be fine. You should be fine.
And then also too, when we put the thing on, we can probably maneuver it.
Okay. The camera's off at
Oh,
behind you. Behind you. Behind you.
over here.
No, I'm trying to get some footage. Even though I look like I look real crazy.
It goes like this, right?
Huh?
Like this?
Huh?
Like that, right?
Oh my god! It looks so good!
Okay.
Let me see. I can tell you if it's leveled.
I got my little thing.
Okay, back up. It's leveled. It's leveled.
She approves.
Does it look so good? It really would have looked nice if the wall was black.
You think so?
Yeah, because it would pop even more, but I don't want the wall to be dark. Oh, I'm gonna do a night routine.
Nice.
It's nice.
Just gonna cut these up and put it in the trash, please.
Listen, if you would know how to do it, that's really stickers.
Yeah, but also,
Break it up, put it in the trash.
If I could do it at mom's house, then.
Well, you don't have any here.
If then I can. You guys just always at the house?
That looks amazing. Let me close all these locks, baby. What that do?
These are my LEDs. I was gonna hang them on my TV, but I gotta bring them back home, but I can't. So I'm just gonna put them in the hard she said I could put it on the TV. So I was gonna do like the other house where I put it around my window. So I was gonna put it around my windows and my TV. This one. I saw Jermaine. Yeah, that's the one right here.
watch out.
That looks so good. Joe, cut the light off real quick. Oh my gosh. Cut it back on. That looks amazing. Okay.
It makes soaps. It makes soaps.
Bash. Okay. This is going to be the very interesting part, darling. Look at this. So I can literally sit on the sofa. Yo, look at this. Look. Do you see it going down? That is going to be sexy.
Hey,
Yeah,
Bobby,
it looks
look.
good. I love them down too.
Look.
It's gonna look sexy. That's it on super high.
That's nice. I love those.
That's sexy.
But I'm already looking like, oh, how does this fit in my house?
He wants the LED lights up. I'll be doing that in my other room.
I bet you will. It's so crazy things that make us excited now. Like, don't buy me a bag, buy me some lights. Like, I want to be on remote control. For those of you that are new to my channel, I did a video with Lutron. It's the dimmable light, the Pico remote and all that. So it's actually like everything's on my phone, which is really great. And so now that the light is actually installed, I have the spotlight, which is what's in the niche, which I'm gonna cut off. And then I have the sconce light, again, which is amazing. But now that everything is here, I'm wanting to go online to find another black table, just because, as you guys can see, that area is so neutral, and I want to do a really nice color tone for like ottomans to go underneath. That wall is about 55 wide, so if I can do like 2 19-inch ottomans at the bottom and have them be like, even if it's like a rich deep like naval blue or green or whatever, even orange or whatever, would be really, really pretty over there. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn the dimmer a little bit up on the light. Let me turn everything off real quick so you guys can get the whole vibe. It's so nice. And again, I'm going to use I'm going to use the word romantic, because now here's the spotlight behind it that I'm also going to put on a dimmer. Just so, and again, I'm on my phone controlling everything, so I'm not getting up, not doing anything, and you can just see how amazing the light looks. It just looks so good. Again, off with the 1%. I'm gonna cut it off. Sconce light, 8%. The light is from Keshler. I will be leaving it linked down below. Now that I have it on, like, literally, I think it's on like 9%. You can really see it. I really love it. I know someone had mentioned, you know, why was I doing so many gold finishes? And like, the house is like super neutral. Most of the items are dark. So, adding in that gold just gives it like a nice little girly flair, but it's just not like super and overly feminine in the space. I'm also looking for some wall art. I'm gonna go ahead and turn to this area. You see that? Ugh. You can see the lights over the bookcase. You can see the ceiling fan. Just looks really good. And then of course that one is over there. Just looks really nice. I don't think it's too much. That's just my personal opinion though. So again, so just having that there to me just looks really good. I love the light. Again, I will be linking it down below. It is from Keshler. Again, thank you so very much. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up because there's things all over the place that needs to be cleaned, but I'm really, really happy. And again, thank you to Jay Cupid. He is here in Savannah. He only works here in Savannah. He does not work anywhere else. But he came and did some of the electrical stuff to get everything up and running. So I'm happy with how it looks thus far. It looks really, really good. Anyway, you guys have a good one. I'll see you in the morning when I straighten up everything.